Okay, assuming you went and took my link and have downloaded the this Thompson piano book from Scribd, if you go to page 5, you should have keyboard chart on the top and find middle C. Now, on most pianos, right in the middle is the maker or manufacturer. So, right in the middle there, the maker of the piano. And usually you center yourself in that name, and that's also where you will find middle C. Alright, on the next page, I believe it is, middle C on the music. Just some review music is written on lines and spaces. That's called a stave, which is right here. And there are 5 lines, 4 spaces. There are, of course, different types of notes. The fancy name there is a semibrev, also known as a whole note, which gets generally 4 beats. If the quarter note equals the beat, the treble clef and the bass clef, the curly Q of the treble clef there goes around G, it's also called the G clef, and the 2 dots of the bass clef go around F, it's also known as the F clef. Okay, for this page, this should be reviewed because you've seen this in choir, but this bracket right here connects the treble and the bass clef for piano, and it's called grand staff. Each measure is separated by a bar line. Now, some people call them a bar. I call them measures. It's the same thing. Below on the page, in the bottom, you have time signatures. And basically the way time signatures work is that the top number of beats in a measure, and the bottom number, what note gets the beat. Also, you also have on the bottom the picture of the hands. So which fingers are what numbers. Thumbs are always 1, the pointer finger 2, and so on. Pinkies are always 5. Okay, so on this page, they talk about the semibrev again. This is basically the whole note. Same thing as a whole note. And remember middle C, basically in the middle of the piano. So I will count off 4 beats and then play what it says, let's play with the right hand. So your thumb should be right here on middle C with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to play the accompaniment part. I'm going to play this part up here, and then you play this part down here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, basically the same idea. Again, semibrev is a whole note. We're in the bass clef now, down here. So it'll be your left hand, and it'll be your thumb. See, right there it says the thumb. Will be right there. So you're playing the same note actually. So I will count you off, and you just do it with your left hand. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's important, I know it may seem boring, but to play that and keep a steady beat, it's a basic technique skill, I guess. Now I'm going to play the accompaniment up here. And then you're going to play this part. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, next page. Alright, now on this page, you're basically using your right and left hand. So, treble clef is the right hand, and the bass clef is the left hand. So, I will count you off, and you basically share middle C with both thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember, they call them minim because I think this is like, I don't know, it seems like German or something. But anyway, these notes are half notes. And they get 2 beats generally. In 4/4 time, they always get 2 beats. All right, so I'm going to count you off again. I'm going to play the accompaniment part. I'm going to play this part here, and then you're going to play. No, you play those notes. All right. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, so here we have quarter notes. So quarter notes get 1 beat. And so I will count off. 1, well, basically your thumbs again, they share the C just like in the half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And left hand, right hand, left hand. Not sure I kept a steady beat that time, but now, like before, I'm going to play the accompaniment, and you play this part, the top part, just like you did. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, for this, there's no real playing on this, but what you need to do is put the values of the notes. So like in the example, the quarter note gets 1, half note 2, the whole note 4, and so on. And then in number 2, you have to put the stems in. Stems always go up on the right and down on the left. And number 3, it says change the following into half notes. So basically where you see the whole notes, you have to add the stems. If it's below the 3rd line, it goes up on the right. And if it's on the 3rd line or lower, it goes down on the left. So down on the left if it's the 3rd line or lower, or up on the right if it's above the 3rd line. And then in number 4, it just says right middle C in each clef. Alright, on this one I'm not going to play the part. You can, at this point I'm hoping you can figure the train part. But I'll play the accompaniment part. So when you're ready to go with the accompaniment, you can listen to know the tempo. you can play along with. So again, I'm going to be playing this, and you play this train part. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I messed up in one measure, but hopefully that'll get you by so you can have that accompaniment. All right, next one. The same thing with this one. I'll just play the accompaniment, and because you should be able to figure out the CB's part. So when you're ready to play along with, just I guess pause it now and then, or listen to it now so you can hear the tempo I'm going with, and then practice that tempo. Whatever is more convenient or easier for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, hopefully that helps. And remember your folder. Okay, so let's see. Remember folder.